In Ornatrix for 3dsmax, you can direct hair along the growth surface using arrows or points called sinks. As of version 9, we also have what we call curved sinks. Let's quickly see how to use them. Open the max scene containing your character mesh. Add a surface comb modifier on the top of the hair object's modifier stack. Select the Sinks sub-object mode. Press the Create button. Hold down Control key. Click and drag along your character's surface. A curved sink is created and is set to direct the hair. Switch to Selection mode and select your sink at any of its constituent points. Change the sink type to Repel, Attract, or Direct the hair. Notice the changes to the hair direction in the viewport. Change the transform mode to local. Then use the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools to modify the sink relative to the surface. You can add many curved sinks or mix them together with arrow sinks. Delete curved sinks by selecting them and using the Delete button, same as any other sink. It's time to try this in your own projects. Let us know what you think in the comments below and subscribe for more useful tips.